Staying in Nunavut, smoke from southern wildfires is making its way to the territory. All 7 communities in the Kivalliq region are under air quality warnings as of today. TJ Dhir has the latest.
Despite people being advised to limit their time outdoors, some residents of Rankin Inlet still went outside. Kivalliq said he's never seen this much smoke before. He's worried about what it could do to the most vulnerable people in the community.
I'd like to mention to see if our elders with health issues to be looked after to make sure they're all okay in here in Kivalliq.
The smoke is coming from out-of-control wildfires in northern Saskatchewan and Manitoba. Brian Proctor is a meteorologist with Environment and Climate Change Canada. He says although the worst of the conditions have passed, the outlook for the rest of the season is not good.
So it's remaining warm, remaining fairly dry, and that means we're not going to see a quick end to the forest fire season. It's likely going to be enduring for a longer period of time moving forward.
One Baker Lake resident said the smell from the smoke was so strong that it was affecting her health. Baker Lake's mayor told CBC News that residents are being asked to stay at home, close their windows, and turn on their air conditioning if they have it. Environment Canada says the smoke is expected to make its way to Baffin Island. While conditions are expected to be better than the Kivalliq, the worst of it will take place overnight and improve by the morning. TJ Dhir, CBC News, Iqaluit.